Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you. So I'm doing a tutorial showing you guys how to do space buns, and as you can see, I am using my little sister. So first you part the hair in the middle. My parts were all over the place, but that's okay. You could do better. So you're parting the hair in the middle so you could have two sections for two buns. Look at that part. Oh my god. That part was horrible. So for this part, I just sprayed the hair with some water to keep it hydrated. And then that is my Zuma Beauty Growth Balm that I put a little bit all over the hair. That's my personal use one. That is why it doesn't have my label on it. But you could check it out on my Instagram, Zuma_Beauty. So now we're just combing the hair to lay the hairs down. Comb it, and you could add gel or edge control to lay the flyaways down. So as you can see, I am done with that part. Now I'll just be tying it up. So I tied it up, and you could do as low or as high as you like. It's up to you. So now you just play with it and you just pull it out, and after you fluff it out, and then you could shape it into the shape that you like. So I would just be fluffing it out, and then afterward, as you can see, I am trying to shape it into a cotton ball like shape with the hair to make it look neat. But if you want to do like little messy buns, then you don't have to do this part. You could just fluff it out and you'll be fine. So for the sake of not making the video too long, I did this part of the bun off camera, but it was just the same thing. You just hydrate it with water, put your hair cream, and then tie it up. So now we're just fluffing it out, and then we'll just shape it to make it look like the other bun. But they don't have to be twins, they could just look like sisters. But you just fluff it out and shape it into the shape you like. But like I said earlier, if you don't like to shape it and you just want to leave it as a messy bun, then you don't have to do this part. And then so now I'm just going back over and combing the hair, trying to lay it down to look more polished. And right here, we're just trying to lay the edges down, but I am so bad at doing somebody else's edges. So this right here was very hard for me. But you would just lay your edges down, do your baby hairs, lay them baby hairs down, and you're good to go. You could use gel or you could use edge control. So now you just try to do the same thing on the other side. Try to lay them edges down. As you could see, I was struggling, but we got this, we got this. And you just do that and lay them edges down and you're set. And you could also add hair accessories if you have some. I didn't have some handy, so that's why we didn't add it. But you could do that if you have it. So as you can see, this is the finished look. We're done. Some edges still needs help, but we're good. We got this next time, okay? This is it, guys. Thank you for watching.